assets on the cryptocurrency market and the prolonged legal battle between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is waiting for its conclusion, the community has projected the possible price of XRP by the end of the month. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. Indeed, the crypto community over at the digital asset tracking platform CoinMarketCap has set the average price of XRP to amount to $0.4147 on February 28, 2023, the result aggregated from 1,190 votes cast by the website members by press time, according to the data retrieved by Finbold on February 7. If the community's estimations prove correct, it would mean an increase of plus 5.17% or plus $0.02039 to the price of XRP at the time of publication. On the other hand, the machine learning algorithm over at Price Predictions has projected that the cryptocurrency would likely be changing hands at $0.388 by February 28, a bearish prediction compared to the earlier $0.405. As for the precision of community predictions in recent months, it has been relatively high, averaging 77% over the past 6 months, with the January 2023 predictions recording an accuracy rate of 96%, as data demonstrates. Meanwhile, XRP is currently changing hands at the price of $0.3944, down 1.09% over the last 24 hours and 0.25% across the previous week, but still holding on at its monthly gains, which presently stand at 14.67%, as charts show. Elsewhere, the sentiment on XRP daily gauges at finance tracking website TradingView is largely undecided, with a summary in the neutral zone at 9, the result of oscillators also pointing towards neutral at 8, whereas moving averages, MA, are suggesting sell at 8. Whether XRP manages to reach the price set by the community will largely depend on the developments around the SEC's lawsuit. Recently, it was revealed that the defense was planning to file an amicus brief in a related case in California, in which the plaintiffs were asking the court to certify a class of all XRP holders who purchased the asset worldwide. Pseudonymous XRP influencer 24HRSCRYPTO has asserted that global payment giant Visa is secretly working with Ripple. The influencer made this claim in a tweet yesterday. In the attached video, 24HRSCRYPTO showed that Visa had jumped into bed with at least 4 Ripple partners in the last few years, either in a partnership or a complete acquisition. Consequently, the influencer frames this as a bull case for XRP. The Ripple partners include Earthport, D-Money, Currency Cloud, and Novati. Notably, Visa acquired Earthport and Currency Cloud. On the other hand, it entered into partnerships with D-Money and Novati. After researching these claims, it is worth noting that the companies fully acquired by Visa no longer appear on Ripple's customers page. In addition, the partnerships and acquisitions in question are usually about extending the reach of Visa's proprietary cross-border payment solutions with no mention of Ripple or XRP. Also, at the time of writing, Visa and Ripple are yet to respond to requests for comments. Consequently, it is difficult to claim that Visa is in cahoots with Ripple. However, it speaks to the importance and reach of Ripple partners, who are continuously sought after by traditional finance giants like Visa. While there may be no partnership with Visa, Ripple might not need one. As reported last year and highlighted in its Q4 2022 markets report, the firm's on-demand liquidity service, which uses XRP as a bridge currency for near-instant cross-border payments, has expanded to nearly 40 payout markets, representing about 90% of the foreign exchange market. Notably, all of these come despite its legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission at home. And aside from Ripple developments, the XRP ledger is also developing new use cases to leverage the scalability of the network. These developments include NFTs, a native automated market maker, AMM, an Ethereum virtual machine compatible sidechain, and hooks for native smart contracts. At press time, XRP is trading for $0.3961. It is up 16.5% since the start of the year following a resurgence in the crypto markets after a woeful 2022. Many anticipate that the asset's price will surge in the event of a favorable ruling in the ongoing SEC lawsuit, which now awaits Judge Annalisa Torres' decision. The LBRY SEC case is still ongoing. Referring to the conversations that took place at the most recent status conference on February 6, the presiding judge, Paul J. Barbadoro, has issued an order setting up more discovery regarding the SEC's proposed remedies. The remaining discovery in the case will be phased and expedited, per the order. LBRY is required to deliver the electronic files supporting its profit and loss statement and balance sheet that it submitted with its motion to limit the SEC's remedies within 14 days of the ruling. The parties will meet and confer to attempt to agree on a series of specific, narrow interrogatories and document requests that address the issues raised during the status conference within 14 days of the SEC receiving LBRY papers. The injunction did not, however, mention the particular issues. The SEC will then give LBRY 30 days to reply to written requests. The parties must meet and confer within 14 days of LBRY's answer to the SEC's written requests if the SEC determines depositions are required. After the parties meet and attempt to reach an agreement, the depositions must be completed within 30 days. Then, the SEC must provide a supplemental brief addressing the issue of remedy within 14 days of the conclusion of discovery. Following the SEC's filing, LBRY will have 14 days to submit a brief in response. The court will then deliberate on the case before deciding on a final verdict. At the January 30 hearing, CryptoLaw founder John Deaton, who made an appearance at the court, revealed that the judge made it crystal clear that his ruling did not apply to secondary sales of LBC. According to Deaton, the judge stated that he would make it very clear that his order does not include secondary sales. He then forced the SEC to agree that they were not pushing for that. LBRY lost in summary judgment to the SEC, as the judge ruled that the initial sales of LBC tokens constituted a securities offering. Besides the developments in the lawsuit by the Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) against Ripple over the sale of XRP tokens, the company's other long-running legal battle in California is recording increased interest. In particular, Ripple has been facing a class action since 2018, where XRP investors sued the company and its CEO, Brad Garlinghouse. In the lawsuit, the plaintiffs claim that the company sold XRP as an unregistered security and are seeking damages for the losses they suffered. Additionally, they are requesting that the court declare XRP a security. Under the latest update, United States Defense Attorney James Fillon, in a tweet on February 7, revealed that lawyer John Deaton would be joining the matter, filing a motion as an amicus brief. It's worth noting that Deaton is representing XRP holders in the Ripple v.SEC matter. Fillon noted that the filing by Deaton will include XRP holders worldwide, alongside other 75,890 holders in the SEC case who have disagreed with the plaintiff's arguments. Notably, the case by lead plaintiff Bradley Sostak also has 3 lawsuits, including Zakhanov, O'Connor, and Greenwald, and they have since consolidated into one. According to Deaton, the court should not grant the request to classify XRP as a security because, while some XRP holders view it as such, the majority do not and believe it should be regulated. Deaton argues that the opinions of a small number of complainants should not determine the status of XRP as an unregistered security. John Deaton will argue that those small number of plaintiffs in Zakhanov cannot fairly represent so many who disagree with them, including XRP holders in places where XRP is not even considered a security, Fillon said. Furthermore, the proposed class action lawsuit is not restricted to Ripple's direct sales of XRP but encompasses all token sales, including secondary sales and sales, made internationally in countries where XRP has already been deemed not a security. Overall, the case, alongside the SEC lawsuit, is expected to give a clear direction on the classification of XRP. Notably, the SEC is suing Ripple for selling XRP tokens as unregulated securities, and both parties are waiting for the final judgment, having filed final submissions. The parties have expressed optimism about winning the matter. In this line, with Fillon projecting that the case might be resolved before March 31, Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderity, has termed the case misguided. Overall, with the Ripple lawsuits continuing to attract attention, investors are now focusing on XRP and how the matter will likely influence the token's price, which is currently trading mostly in tandem with the general market. By press time, XRP was valued at 40 cents with weekly losses of less than 1%. The token is currently controlling a market cap of about $20.09 billion. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice. and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.